So, you might be looking for a way to fix your Dell laptop here if it's not starting and it's stuck on the Dell logo. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, you want to start with the simplest fix here. So, you want to do a hard reset to clear any startup glitch. So, you want to turn the laptop off here, unplug the charger, remove the battery if it's removable, then hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now, this drains leftover power and clears stuck boot processes. Now, in this case, next thing that you want to do is you want to disconnect all USB devices and accessories. Now, things like USB drives, dongles, external keyboards, or even like an SD card here can freeze the boot process. Unplug everything, turn the laptop on, and if it boots normally, one of those accessories was causing the hang. Now, also, while stuck on the Dell logo, you want to press the F12 repeatedly here. Now, choose the diagnostics from the boot menu, and this checks memory, hard drive or SSD, and hardware components. Now, if something is failing here, it will usually show an error code. Now, next thing that you want to do is you may want to boot into safe mode. Now, if possible, restart the laptop and press the F8 or Shift F8 repeatedly for older models here, or interrupt startup 3 times so Windows opens the recovery menu for newer models. Now, you want to go and just choose troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, then you want to go to safe mode. Now, if it boots into safe mode, the issue is likely a corrupted driver or a recent software change. Next thing that you want to do is you may want to remove the last Windows update or driver. Now, once in safe mode here or recovery mode, we want to go to troubleshoot, advanced options, then choose the option here that says uninstall updates. Now, a bad Windows update or GPU driver often causes Dell laptops to freeze at the logo, so undoing the update usually gets things moving again. Now, if the diagnostics test shows a storage error or the drive isn't detected, that's a big clue here. Now, a fading SSD or HDD can freeze the laptop at the Dell logo because the system can't load Windows. Now, if detected but fading, replacing the drive is the fix here. Now, finally, you may want to restart the laptop here and press F2 repeatedly to open the BIOS. So sometimes resetting the BIOS to default settings here is the fun thing that you can do. So you want to look for the load defaults, then reset to defaults or restore settings here, then choose save, then exit. Now, a wrong BIOS setting here, especially if boot order or secure boot, can stop Windows from loading. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.